Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's a Piedmont green metallic. Under the hood is a 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 271 pounds of torque. This one has the sports package. It's going to give you the AMG exterior and interior 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Come around back. We've got our E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, a keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, a nice burl walnut trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hop in here, we've got ambient lighting, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, our radio, wireless charging and USB port, cup holders, our command center for our infotainment center. This vehicle has 28,500 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.